Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use Notion Content Calendar. First, open Notion and create a new database. Name it something clear, like Content Calendar. Then, select the calendar view for this database. This visual layout is perfect for planning. Next, add essential properties such as date and status to track your content's journey. This foundational setup is crucial for effective organization. Now that your calendar is set up, it's time to add your content. Simply click on a date to create a new entry. Give each piece a clear title, assign an author, and specify the content type, like a blog post or video. You can also attach relevant files or embed links directly within each entry, keeping all your resources in one convenient place for easy access. Effective workflow management is key. Use the status property to track each content piece through stages like draft, in review, or published. You can easily filter your calendar to view content at specific stages, helping you focus. Assign team members to individual tasks, ensuring everyone knows their responsibilities and deadlines are met efficiently. Beyond the basic calendar, Notion offers powerful advanced views. Create a table view for detailed lists or a board view to visualize your workflow with cards. Group your content by status or assigned person for a quick overview. Don't forget to set up reminders for important deadlines, ensuring you never miss a beat in your content production schedule.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.